Maybe that's just a warning that's about to happen.
But imagine the little one. I don't know.
I think they realized we're waiting. They're like, let's give them a little treat.
Bella, can you see speed over this one? Look with the binoculars, dude. You might be able to see like the bombs going off and stuff. The dynamite.
Somebody's like, we lit them up. Can you see? Oh, it's an accident. Throw them in the air.
Get your cameras ready. Okay, they're ready.
And they're
That was a misfire. Like, how'd someone get the bombs up there? Right? Who was able to put them up there?
We aimed wrong.
How'd you
Come back tomorrow?
We're going to the west side like later tonight.
Who forgot to charge the batteries on the detonator? I like how we got all quiet.
Right? That was just, I'm sure, just to let us know. They're like a minute away or something. Dude, don't look at the skydivers. Just look at the towers. The stacks. Look at some little sky. Get your binoculars on.
You did now, Asarco.
We're gonna call them?
Yeah.
Tell them to blow it up.
People over there.
Yeah, what are the green people doing?
They're getting in this white thing.
Hello? It's your last sunrise, Asarco.
Skydivers have been up there for a long time.
Watch the waiting for the sunrise.
That is sunrise on it. That's the last time the sun will hit it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at the big one. Look at the big one. The big one's going. Oh, wow. The big one's going that way.
Oh shit! Wrong way, wrong way!
Oh, that's cool. Look at that. There you go.
Boom.
Por poquito.
Oh, did you hear the thumb?
Finally!
One more thing.
Let's go pull up.
Alright, we're done here?
Yeah,
Did you catch that all?
Wow. That was awesome.
imagine I forgot to put play.
Guy, what? There's a lens cap on here for some reason.
Someone came by and put stickers on everyone.
Nobody noticed. Alright, let's go. Let's go see if it hit the freeway or not.
I like to get the left.